Hello everyone, I'm Dayashri from Build with Innovation. In this video, we're gonna learn how to create product limited time deal in your website. So let's get started. Just click on the side menu and go to the product section. So here you have to create product limited time deal for a certain product, or you can also do it for a new product by clicking on add new product button and hopping on to details section and scrolling down, but I'll just show you how it's done for an existing product. So what you have to do is select a product. I'll choose the Ganesha Lord product. So just click on it, the product which you want to give the limited time deal to. So here you have 4 tabs, which is basic, details, categories and brands, and images. Just hop on to details section as said before and scroll down a bit. You'll be able to see a toggle for limited time offer. Just enable it. Once enabled, as you can see, the start date time and end date time tabs are open for your edit. You just have to give a start date by clicking on the date, which is the starting date of your limited time deal. I'll just give it as it is, done. And the time too, you have to set a time from which the deal starts. It won't start on 12 by default. You have to set the time. So now the end date is I'll just give the deal for 2 days, so let me go to 11. So the deal lasts from 9th April to 11th April, and we have to set the time too. I'll just give us 5 p.m. So yeah, the next is deal discount. In percentage, I'll give it as 15. Now you have to save it. So the product has been edited successfully. So now your deal starts from 9th to 11th April for the particular product, and your users will be able to see the time ticking, for which they can see the 15% extra discount. Once the time is over, that is 11th April 5 p.m, after the time the discount will be vanished, like it will just go to how it was before the limited time deal. So all you have to do is enable the toggle and set the date and time and discount. So we'll just click on OK. So this is how the product looks, and there is no indication of the limited time deal here, but your users from their website can access the limited time deal, and as I said earlier, they'll be able to know that there is a limited time deal for this product from this time to this time which you have selected. Hope you've understood. Thank you so much.